Everyone, welcome to Learn Photoshop. My name is Felix Blaze. Today we are looking at how we can create simple birthday flyer. So the first thing I will do here is to set the dimension, and my dimension will be in pixels. Okay, so I will choose pixels. Then the width I will choose 1200 for the width. Then the height I'm going to use 1219 for the height. Sorry. Then the resolution I'm going to use 300. Okay, so I'll choose the resolution of, so the resolution will be 300. Then I'll click on create. So now we have our document here. I'm going to set the background. So come to this side, then go to solid color, then choose this gray color. Then okay, from here go to rectangle. Then I'm going to create this rectangle. So from here I'll change the color for this to something different. So I'll go to CMYK and choose this yellow color there. Go to U, remove the stroke. And what you are going to do right now is make a copy of the shape. Hold shift, use the arrow left, move to this side. Okay. Then make another copy. Do same like that. Now from here, hold the shift key, then select all the three here. Right click on this, then convert to smart object. Make a copy again, and then hold shift, bring it down. Okay, now hold the shift and then right click on this, convert this one to smart object so that we get something like this. Okay, so from here what we are going to do right now is you will make a copy of this one. So rectangle 1, let's call this rectangle 1. Make a copy, hold shift and move it, then call this rectangle 2. Make a copy, move it to the right side, call this rectangle 3. Now hold the shift and then select the last one. Make sure that they are evenly spaced. Okay, then align. Good. So now that we are done, we will select the first layer. Then from here, I'm going to place my image there. Okay, so the first one will be this image. So this will be the first one. I'm going to reduce the size. After reducing the size, I'm going to clip it in this particular shape. Okay, right click on this and choose create clipping mask. So now that we have this one, click on the rectangle tool, go to your images and import the second image. Okay, reduce the size for this particular image. Then from here right click on this, choose create a clipping mask. Now from here let's do same for this one. So from here clip this one too in this particular shape. Right click on this and choose create a clipping mask. You can increase the size as well. So we are done with this. We can come to this and then create this rectangular shape here. Go to this side and choose the gray as well. Remove this one, then stroke, then come back to the layers. After coming back to the layers, right click on the layers, then go to blending options. So when you come to blending options, we have something like that. So what we're going to do right now here is we just need to add a drop shadow. Okay, that one will be quite different from the background. So this is how we want our drop shadow to be. Then okay, so what we do is we just push this one up like this. So from here just make a copy of that and then bring that one to this side. Make another copy, then bring that one to this side. You can just decrease the size small, bring the picture down like this. So that is that. We are done with the design itself. So we just need to add the birthday message and then the birthday. Okay. So I will go to this site for test. So I will come here, then I'll make a copy of this and type here birthday. Then increase the size of the birthday. What you'll do right now is we'll change the font type for that. So we'll come to this site and change that one to bold. Good. So from here, I'll just position the happy here. Then I will select this, the birthday. Okay. Then I'm going to reduce the size to something like 16. This is kind of typography. Okay. Then I'll confirm that. So I'm going to position the happy here and change the color from black to something different. So and I will choose this color. Okay. So happy birthday. So we can now add our message. Okay. Right here. So I will just come here, come for this type to, then I will write my message right here. So this is what our message will be like. So I'll change the color to black. Now we can add the name right here. So reduce the size more. So what we are going to do right now is the final part of the whole thing. We are going to add this converti. So I'm going to add this birthday, this thing design here. It's called confetti, so you can download it. Okay, I have it in the description. You can download the resources. Okay, I'll just make a copy of this one as well. Then I'll bring it here. This time around, I'll flip it horizontal like this. This is quite simple birthday flyer. As a beginner you can create. I hope this tutorials has helped you a lot. If you want more from us, make sure you subscribe to this channel and you're not going to miss the best tutorials from us. You can also request whatever you want to learn by dropping it in the comments. My name is Felix. Please. I will see you in my coming tutorials. Bye.